Welcome to this video on Blue Team Fundamentals, where we explore the evolution of cyber threats. Cybersecurity is constantly changing. Attackers adapt, innovate, and improve their methods. We'll examine how threats evolved, from simple hacking to advanced cyber warfare. In the early days, most hackers were script kiddies, using pre-made tools without a deep understanding of how attacks worked. Their attacks were simple and low skill, motivated mainly by fun or recognition. Common attacks included website defacement, simple viruses, and password guessing. Chapter 2 focuses on the rise of advanced persistent threats, or APTs. These are highly skilled, well-funded groups that target organizations over long periods. Unlike script kiddies, APTs are patient, stealthy, and strategic, often seeking espionage and data theft. Ransomware has evolved from a nuisance into a criminal enterprise, operating like a corporation. The attack process often follows steps like initial access, credential theft, privilege escalation, lateral movement, data exfiltration, and finally, encryption and extortion. This now includes double extortion, where data is stolen and threatened to be leaked. Nation-state cyber attacks involve governments using cyber operations for modern warfare, espionage, and political influence. These attackers are highly funded and often leverage zero-day vulnerabilities and advanced malware to target critical infrastructure and defense contractors. Supply chain attacks use trust as a weapon by compromising a trusted vendor or third-party service to gain access to larger targets. This can involve injecting malicious code into legitimate software updates or compromising a cloud provider, which can cascade across thousands of victims simultaneously. Insider threats represent the enemy within. They come from individuals with authorized access, employees, contractors, or former staff, making them difficult to detect. These threats can be intentional, such as sabotage or accidental, due to negligence like falling for phishing. A modern strategy for attackers is living off the land. They avoid detection by abusing trusted tools already present in systems, making malicious activity look like normal administration behavior. Examples include using PowerShell, remote desktop, and exploiting cloud services or encrypted traffic. The modern defender's mindset recognizes that prevention alone is insufficient. Organizations must assume breaches will happen and focus on building capabilities to detect quickly, respond rapidly, and minimize damage. The core principle is to assume breach, detect fast, and respond faster. The cyber threat landscape is a complex battlefield. As defenders, you must understand attacker evolution, respond with speed to minimize damage, and build stronger defenses based on lessons learned from every incident. Next up, we will explore how attacks progress through organizations by studying the cyber kill chain.